Subscribe to this channel or you'll miss the wildest roommate saga since that moldy pizza incident. Buckle up. Meet Dave, a 25-year-old saint stuck with two roommates from hell since 2022. Let's call them Slobby Jerry and Disaster Daisy. These two treat their apartment like a landfill. Picture crusty dishes breeding new life forms, a bathroom that smells like a swamp monster's armpit, and dog pee puddles that just sit there. Charming, right? Dave? He's the cleaning fairy. For 2 years, he's been scrubbing their grime, replacing sponges they turned into biohazards, and basically playing mom. Did they thank him? Nope. Did they change? Instead, they leveled up their chaos. Rotten food in the fridge? Check. Using Dave's sponge to clean unspeakable messes? Double check. Finally, Dave snapped harder than a stale baguette. He dropped the mop and declared, "I'm not your personal janitor, losers." Now, it's war. Dave's on strike and the apartment's turning into a post-apocalyptic dumpster. The sink's a science experiment, the bathroom's a health code violation, and Jerry and Daisy are throwing tantrums. Reddit's losing it, half say Dave should bail, half say let the slobs drown in their own filth. So, what's your move? Clean up after these gremlins or let the trash tower grow? Drop your take below, because this story's ending is wilder than a reality TV finale. Hit that subscribe button for more chaos and let's see who breaks first. Got it?